So I've had a rough time using Google Pixel smartphones. From the first Pixel to the Pixel Fold, I was beginning to think that Google was using some kind of voodoo on me because my fellow content creators and friends was not having this experience that I'm having on Pixel devices. So year after year, I've been making videos giving some examples of all my experience dealing with Pixel devices. And you know what? I've been going through a lot with Pixel phones. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about and the history of me making countless of videos about Pixel devices. So check this out. Pallbearers, members of the congregation, welcome to another funeral. And 2019 has been an interesting year. A lot of devices that came out and bought the thunder, giving you everything that you need. A lot of bang for your buck. But the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL have not done it. Pallbearers, members of the congregation, it's funeral time. I got the Google Pixel 3 on deck, and we're gonna funeralize this phone. And I'm gonna give you reasons why. In 2018, we're not dealing with this crap, with subpar product at a high price. So is the Google Pixel phone the best phone of 2016? I've been seeing a lot of people hailing this phone as the best of the best. I mean, when you're talking about the design, I mean, I don't know, they got devices out there that looks 3 times better than this device. When it comes down to performance, I've made videos that the performance has been beaten by other devices. Dear Google, my name is Eric, the tech preacher from eazycomputersolution, and I'm writing you today to express my concerns about your Pixel lineup in 2018. All right, guys, so I want to pause the video for a second and let y'all guys know when I'm out here at the park, I did get an overheating issue, and the camera itself, it turned off while I was in the middle of filming. Oh, it crashed on me. Oh, crap. Okay, so the Pixel Fold just crashed on me. Uh-oh, there we go. I got a warning here. Oh, crap. So I'm getting a warning here at the top of the device telling me it's too hot. So as you can see, I haven't had the best times using Pixel devices. But you know what? Pixel smartphones, year after year after year, has brought something to the table that I like, even after all the major issues that I've had with Pixel devices. So look, the Pixel Fold is one of my daily drivers. You know what? Let's talk some more about it, because things have changed a little bit of me using the Pixel Fold for the past 4 months. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Pixel Fold is my latest device from Google, and I've had high expectations, right, from Google. Not like it being better than the Galaxy Fold. Due to Samsung has been in the game for a long time, they're now on their 5th generation of foldables. So I wasn't expecting the Pixel Fold to beat the Samsung device. No, that wasn't my expectations, right? All I wanted to do, and this is what I expected from Google, is get the basics right? Give you the best Google experience. That's what I was looking for. So, you know, I made a few videos about my bad experience using the Pixel Fold, including me talking about how I RMA'd the device. But you know what? Even when I got my new Pixel Fold that's I'm using currently, it's still one of 3 of my daily drivers. I rock with these phones all the time. Look, I can tell you what's making the difference is that Beta 1 came out and made a nice difference with the Pixel Fold. Beta 2 came out that did a very good job with the Pixel Fold. Now with Beta 3, the Pixel Fold is a whole lot better. Google must have heard my call for help, because the latest Beta 3 have done a good bit of help for the Pixel Fold. Look, in a few ways. let's talk about it. Let me break it down to you. Things such as battery life. Now, with my Google Pixel 4 in the past, I was getting about 3.5 to 4 hours of battery life, which is not great. But now with the beta 3, I mean, we're talking about a beta. I'm getting close to 6 hours of screen on time, which is shocking. Also, with beta 3, Google introduced expanding apps that wasn't taking advantage of the inner screen. Now, you can expand some apps, which is work in progress, and which is a huge step forward for Google, right, using the Pixel 4, which is really nice. The next thing that the beta 3 have fixed on my device is the display. Now, I was having some dimming issues with my display. Now, my display stays a little more brighter, longer, for a long period of time. And that's due to some of the heat management look like Google have controlled. The thermal issues on the Pixel 4 was really bad. But even though I'm using the beta 3, I'm seeing some of the thermal issues coming under control, which is a good thing. Look, I'm seeing some transformation going on with my Pixel 4, what's making me think that, wow, Google is listening. And I'm glad that Google is taking the proper steps to fix some of the issues with the Pixel 4. Look, I just could use the Galaxy 4 and not have no worries about a unpolished product, right? But you know what? Me as a tech enthusiast, I love having a challenge. Look, I have over 200 smartphones, and I can grab any of my true and tested devices to get me through the day. But what's the beauty of being a tech enthusiast without having a challenge? So this is why I like the Pixel 4, and I like what it brings to the table, and I actually like the challenge. I want to see the transformation that Google is doing to the Pixel product to make it better. The performance here is really good. The cameras are good. App scaling issues is being addressed. Battery life to me has almost doubled. The thermals is under control. It's better overall. So the Pixel 4 is work in progress, and I like the direction that Google is going in. So you know what? My 4 months with the Google Pixel 4, it's been promising. It's been a love-hate child for me, but I'm not giving up on this device. As long as Google keep updating it and making it better, I'm all in on the Pixel 4. For more videos about the Pixel 4 and my experience, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 4 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.